Alright, Jason's here, and Dan's directing traffic. Plan is to back this trailer up and get them lined up as good as we can and just slide this thing right on there.
Let's blame it on the backup man.
Yeah,
yeah.
Little more. Keep going. Might as well bump it right into it. Perfect. I think that's about as good as it's gonna get.
Oh yes.
What do you think? Is it gonna work? I think it's gonna work. So now we're gonna put a snatch block there, winch there, and drag that over there. Is that gonna work?
Should. Worst it can do is fall off.
Well, yeah, it's. You should probably pay me first before we do this. It's yours now.
It's not off your trailer yet. Once
True.
it's on here, then
Okay.
I'll get my wallet.
So somewhere in here we'll do a transfer.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll call the notary.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanity.
Alright, well, the unloading went well. The purple CJ5 is loaded up. This would be a good debate. Crossed or uncrossed? Let's start
One strap or two?
Yeah, let's start a fight.
Let's see if it were me, I'd have just strapped it through the body.
I've got a roll of duct tape. If it was me, just zip ties and maybe some Gorilla Glue.
Yeah.
All right, so this is the last day of the CJ5 here at the Red Eye Garage, and it's going over to its new owner, Jason. So tell us a little bit of your plan and where people can watch your progress.
All right. Well, my channel is 65SEEJAYFIVE. 65SEEJAYFIVE. That's a mouthful, right?
Oh, you got that memorized.
But we have done that once or twice. But anyway, we had a 65 CJ5 on the channel years ago. That actually got traded on down the line. I have a 2002 TJ with a 4.7 stroker in it. Been working on that, but I wanted to get another old Jeep. So I picked up a 77 CJ5, a yellow one, a few weeks back, and it's pretty rough, and it needs a tub. So thankfully, Seth here at Red Eye Garage got me hooked up with a donor Jeep here. He pulled the parts, as you could see in his previous videos, what he wants, the axle, different things, steering, for his current project. And thankfully, he made a deal with me, and we picked up the rest of it.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I